day everyone, today I will be showing you my science experiment that we can use in our daily life. This experiment is called the chemical reaction experiment. This is all we need: a balloon, baking powder, funnel, and a bottle filled with vinegar. First, put baking powder inside of the balloon. Now put the balloon on top of the bottle filled with vinegar. Now release the baking powder inside of the balloon. As you can see, the baking powder reacts to the vinegar and releases carbon dioxide that makes the balloon to rise. This phenomenon is found in baking cakes. If we add baking powder and butter and keep it in the oven, this carbon dioxide will come out and it makes the cake to rise. Thanks for watching. I hope you learned something in my video. Bye!